Seeing you as the music starts, understanding under but their bodies become one. I see you through the smoky air. Can you feel the way of my If you read my mind, you say I'm crazy for you. Touch me once and you know it's true. I never
Hindi na ako hahanap ng iba. Napakaganda mo na malakas makaakit. Para kang anghel na umaawit sa langit. Aabutin kita kahit maraming balakid. Kasi mahalaga ika'y mapasakit.
Kapag alam mong may galit sa'yo ang isang tao, galitin mo palalo.
Yung ang ganda-ganda ng forma mo, pero kami kating ko at white clover ka.
Your question. What is your best asset?
Ha?
What is your best asset?
Asset, di ako naging asset, ha? Tsaka delikado yan.
Gusto mo bang yumaman kahit walang ginagawa? Ang kapal mo din, ano?
Kahit konti lang ang kaibigan ko, ang mahalaga, hindi ka kasal.
Hala, kadalasan daw niloloko ngayon yung mga magaganda. Kinakabahan ako.
No.
Ang angas lang. Imagine, chismosa ka na nga, tapos inggitera ka pa, tapos ang plastic mo pa. Nuts! 3-in-1! Kapi ka, girl!
Kapag ang saging ay green, hilaw ito. Kapag ang saging ay yellow, hinog ito. Pero kapag ang saging ay brown, mahaba, matigas, at maugat, turon ito.
You are my song, playing so softly in my heart. I reach for you, you seem so near yet so far. Hide and pray that you will look someday. I know down inside here in mine, and I'm yours, true love. Get down on my dream, how can I each other try to say? How can I? How can I each other try to say goodbye? You and I, you look my way and touch the sky. We can share tomorrow and tomorrow and Ang sunod. Forevermore. Yun ba? Tomorrow and forevermore. I'll be there to love you so. You are my song. Oh, you are my song. I wish I could go back to the very first day I saw you. To the place I knew when you looked in my eyes. By God, I know that could feel the way I do. And I guess that is what I should not be from my
Pinalaya mo. Tapos, inaasahan mong bumalik? Tao yun, be. Hindi kalapate.
Putang ina.
Magaling ang kupal lang.
My name is Mama. Mama, mama, mama.
My name is Baby. Baby.
Ano yung pinaka-masakit na nasabi tungkol sa'yo?
Malandi. Maarte. Mga ganun.
Ano ang reaksyon mo sa mga taong nagsasabing malandi at maarte ka?
Pwede.
Uy, Beshi.
Bakit?
Alam mo ba kung saan napupunta yung mga masasamang sinasabi mo sa akin?
Saan ba?
Sa mukha mo.
Ops. Alam ko, naiinis ka na sa akin. Wala akong pakialam.
This is my skin before. Hey, look at this look. Hey, and this is my skin now after I use #AppleSecret. Hey, look at this look. Hey, look at this look.
She's so beautiful and so cool too. There's something different about her, like she's got this special aura. She's so cute when she don't chin is such a pretty face. Don't chin is such a pretty face.